Hey guys, so today we're at the Thessaloniki train cemetery. It's not a proper tourist place, it's very overgrown and it just has a whole bunch of trains and carts that have been left here to rust away. This place is extremely overgrown and old. So this is the inside of one of the carts. All the insulation and everything's come off and it's just an empty shell. The wood started to wear away. I think this has been here for a very long time. It's pretty cool, pretty creepy. Here we have an old passenger cart. There'd have been the seats there. I'd say there would have been doors that closed so you could have your privacy in your cart. And they go all the way down. So overgrown. So looking inside this one, the floor's just completely rusted away in some areas. One thing I'm amazed by is that polystyrene insulation looks brand new. It hasn't degraded whatsoever. The metal and steel have, but all that is broken off by people, I take it. Look at this one, there's been a whole section cut out so you can just walk straight inside. Here we have a convertible train. Would have been nice in the summer. This must be an old one. The exterior of it's made of wood. It's held up pretty well. I was wanting to climb that water tower, but as you can see the top left one is actually broken off on the ladder, so that wouldn't be safe at all. This place is so overgrown, it's hard to walk through. Looks like it's full of dead ends as well. I seem to get to the end and it's just way too overgrown to get through. I have to jump through a train or something to get around. I think someone's kind of made paths by these polystyrene sheets. These carts still have the chairs in them from the passenger days. Can't see where to go now, so I think I'm going to have to head back and try and jump through a train. Nope, can't get through that train. I'll have to go under it. There's actually a nice little gap that I can get under it. Tank is here. So I can't find where to go now. It's not like there was a path at the start anyway. This oil tanker's got a ladder to the top, so I might climb up there and then try and get a higher view of where I am. I'm also looking through Google Maps as well at the satellite view to see how far down tracks I am. It'd be very easy to get lost here. We're seconds away from walking into this bloody big spider's nest. He is big. So I shook the ladder on the oil tanker rig and it was a bit loose, so I thought, no, I'll try and find another one, and then I found this one. Had a nice ladder and it was against two carts next to each other, so I could kind of bounce off one and climb both of them at the same time, which I felt was a bit safer. But yeah, I'm gonna go fly the drone now. It's cool to see on top and see just how big it is. It's huge, and it also goes all that way as well. Who reckons I can land the drone on that little thing there? We'll see, eh? Perfect. So I've flown the drone, gotten some good pictures, the sun's come out and it's a bit more brighter now, so I might start heading back. We'll try and find the way back, how I got in here, and then go pick up Hannah, because she's been at a coffee shop for the last 2 hours. So I clambered back down the train, and on the ground now there's lots of like lizards and stuff, and you always hear them like 2 meters ahead of you, so just a big quick scamper across the ground. It's always like, oh shit, is that a snake or something? But they're usually just lizards. I've only seen one snake before, and that was in even more bush than this, so I think I won't see one. Just a lot of lizards. It creeps you out a bit. So I'm back in another car, and this one's had a fire inside it. Everything's burnt out. Just the metal frame left. Back through the, what I might call a path. Oh! These are little sharp, prickly guys. And I didn't wear any, I only got shorts on today. So it is sharp. So overgrown. Looks like a few of the trains have had their suspension or something out of the undercarriage taken off, because some of them are on quite big angles and the frame looks like it's just sitting on the wheels, and I don't think that's right. I guess they would have tried to scavenge as much as they could off these carts before scrapping them. I was about to say I've seen all the trains, except I haven't seen one that leads to the front with the control unit at the front, the driver's seat. I think there might be one there. No, that's not the front of a train. It's got a joining piece there, and it looks way too hard to climb in. These bushes are so sharp. Quite a lot of insulation in these trains, be it from battens or polystyrene. A lot more better built than I thought they'd be. I'm not sure if these ones would be passing. These ones mustn't be, because there's no windows. They must have just been for transporting goods, but it's all insulated. This one's not too old. And that's what I'm talking about. Looks like this carriage had a bar in it. Some drinks, light refreshments. I think that was a long time ago though, but now I don't remember my way back. I know I just have to go basically to the left, and then I can get out. That's where I want to get to. I just don't know how to get there. Ah, that's the way out. Back out onto the train tracks. The fence on my left side, I'm just trying to find how I got over there. I am walking down train tracks, I am making sure there's nothing behind me. There's a big long straight behind me, so that's okay. And I found my way back out. There's a little hole cut in the fence. Oh, and over these plants. Back on the road. So walking back to the van now. It's pretty cool looking through the train graveyard. Bit creepy, especially because it looked like there had been no one there for a very long time. But yeah, very cool. Back to the van.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.